Hi everyone, I'm Angela. Welcome and welcome back to Angela's Fashion Mix. I hope you've all had a fantastic day and a fantastic weekend. It has been a bit off and on with the weather, and we're expecting snow next week for a couple of days. That seems to be the case. We'll see what happens because sometimes that can change and it doesn't be as much as we think. So we're going to be prepared for the most. If you are new, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy your time here. So in today's video, I am sharing a recent trip to Joan'S boutique. I've taken you there before. If you're a fashion lover, it is an absolute must visit. It is an absolute playground. It's a playground for fashion lovers. There is everything there, room after room after room of fashion. I absolutely love going there. It is just it's a treat. So I'm doing that. Also, for those of you that know, I am a licensed realtor in the state of Virginia. And as of January 31st, 2025, I have been a realtor for 24 years. I can hardly believe it, but it's been 24 years. And in today's video, I am taking you to a property that a friend recently purchased, and it's 23 acres. And we are taking a trip to see that and kind of discuss what the possibilities are. I'm also sharing Sunday dinner, and that Sunday meal typically is going to consist of what our palate calls for from our North Carolina roots. I absolutely love cabbage. We have quite a bit of cabbage on a regular basis, and I prepare that a few different ways. I've shown you before one way I make that, so it may or may not change just depending on what the seasoning meat is that I use. And in this particular meal, I fry the cabbage, so I use bacon and beef kielbasa. So I love the flavors that brings out. So I added mac and cheese and smothered pork chops. So that's what dinner consisted of. We eat quite a bit in terms of salads. We eat a bit of salmon, chicken, of course. But for Sunday meals, I tend to go a little bit heavier on what those flavors are as a comfort food kind of Southern dish. So that's where we are. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed, and you've been coming here for a little bit and you just haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you all always for being here and supporting this channel. Thank you for your comments. I do appreciate your comments. I do appreciate that you all take the time to watch. You are watching old videos. I appreciate that. Thank you for that. And if you will like the videos as you go through them, that is also helpful for me, for YouTube. They like to see those likes. So if you would do that, that would be appreciated. If you shop the live sale, the next sale will be this coming Tuesday, February 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Have a fantastic start to your week. Be safe. If the snow is coming to your area, be safe. And we look forward to seeing you all very soon.